What is going on YouTube? This is GMGTactical back at you with another video, and today we are going to be doing another unboxing. And today we are unboxing one of my new carry knives. It is a Kershaw Bel Air, and as of right now, my favorite carry knife is this Benchmade bug out. It's let's see if we can pick that up. S30V steel, has a crossbar lock. It's pretty smooth action, really nice and lightweight, very thin. Only thing I really don't like about this is right here, it's just the G10, and it's a little bit, if you really press down on this, which I'm not gonna do, you could get this to flex a little bit. But it's really well built knife. I also really do enjoy this pocket clip. It's possibly my favorite pocket clip on a pocket knife, and this is just my favorite knife right now. So I'm thinking I might like this new one a little bit better, but let's go ahead and get into it. And today I was carrying my Civivi Biophase. This is a button lock. You can see it has the aluminum with the G10 that also has carbon fiber inlays, and a Damascus blade. But anyways, enough of that. Let's get into this. Okay. Here's a knife, and this is just a receipt. Also give me a little sticker. So I actually got this for a pretty good deal. I go on Whatnot every once in a while, and if you're looking for good knives, I would recommend downloading the Whatnot app and checking EDC Gripper out. It has a pretty wide selection of knives, from cheaper, more expensive knives to kind of budget knives, and even some of the more higher end stuff. So check that out if you're interested. And let's get into this. So off the bat, this is a USA made knife, which this Benchmade bug out is also. See, Bel Air. So let's open this. Come with anything here. Little silica pack or something. Get back in the box. See, you put it in the bag. Let's take this out. Ooh. See that. So off the bat, first impressions, this is a very smooth action. I would say a lot smoother than this Benchmade. I mean, I think the main thing is this Kershaw is on bearings. I also kind of like this blade shape. It's pretty nice. I like how it has a very nice point. Let's see. This is magnacut, USA made. Very deep pocket clip that extends past the handle. These are aluminum scales, and it also kind of has that crossbar lock. It's also really thin. See the side profile. I don't really know, I can't say for certain, but they look pretty similar. If I had to give it to one, I feel like the Benchmade is slightly more slim, But I like the fact that this does have these aluminum scales. They feel really nice, really compact. I'm jimping right there. And this thing is a beaut. I really like this knife. I can't get enough of this action. It is very fidgety. Very slim, slicey looking blade. Yeah, this I think I like this a lot better than this Benchmade. And I know they're not an exact one-to-one, but I do feel like these knives are, for the most part, pretty similar. Yeah, and don't get me wrong, I love my Benchmade, but this Kershaw is just so much smoother with the help of those bearings. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. Let me know if you guys like the knife content. I might be doing more of that. I don't have an awfully big knife collection. I had a slightly bigger one, but I had gotten rid of some of the knives that I didn't really use or carry. So if you like the knife content, please let me know, and that way I can start getting some more stuff and maybe do some videos on some stuff that I already have. But I am a huge believer in, a lot of people like to spend a lot on their guns, but don't always necessarily want to spend that same kind of money on a knife, a good knife. And honestly, I think, you know, this is something that can really help save your life, and I really don't believe in cheaping out. So, and mind you, this isn't nowhere near the most expensive knife or anything, but I definitely do feel this is good quality. I got this for a pretty decent deal on Whatnot. I want to say I paid $149, $150 for this. Most places have this for, I want to say $165, so not a huge discount, but still a little bit less. But yeah, this is an awesome knife. Very satisfied, very smooth, just really effortless. Look at that. But yeah, if you guys like the knife content, let me know, and I'll do some more. And that is it for me. Peace.